very excited to announce the speakers that are going to speak on our Beyond the Essential Oil Recipe Summit, which will go live in November. And so there's a Facebook page for you to sign up to, so I'm putting a link below, but I just thought I would let you in on some secrets of who's already agreed to speak. And I've already done some of the lectures, so really big long list. So first of all, Dr. Bruce Bukowski, Jade Schutz, Martin Henglein, Beverly Hyam, Caroline Ingraham. She does Sue Pharmacosi, so she'll be talking about aromatherapy for animals. Anne Harmon's going to talk about how to use hydrosols at home. Anna Doxey is talking about the essentials for the emotions. Sue Mousley is doing a study at the moment about the importance of emotional health in pregnancy, and she's going to be talking about how she's using aromatherapy to help people with depression and things like that in pregnancy. Susan R. Banks has very kindly agreed to show us how she mixes her perfumes. Anita James runs an aromatherapy school in England, and she's going to be talking about seasonal aromatherapy, as is Jen Hawkins. Dr. Malte Hausel is talking about aromatherapy energetics. Sage Akimbo, he's not an aromatherapist at all, he's a herbalist, but he has agreed to talk about the archetypes and about planetary rulership of plants. Michelle Rox O'Neill, again another aromatherapist from here in England, and she's talking about how she uses essential oils with crystal elixirs. Michelle Barnwell, Amy Emnett, Amy Cradin. Christina Bauer is going to tell us how she's getting on with the Uncommon Sense video. So that film will go live into cinemas soon after, and so you'll get the first sneak preview of what the conclusions that they reached in their filming. Rebecca Totler, Marge Clark from Nature's Gift is going to give us a talk. Dr. Robin Papas. Emily Carpenter is going to be talking about how she uses essential oils for sleep. Dr. Eric Z is going to join us, so that's exciting. Lauren Bridges has got a fantastic talk about how she uses essential oils safely on children, and what's truth and what's scare tactics, so that's interesting. Penny Price, who's one of the leading aromatherapy teachers in this country, is going to talk. Roxana Villa, again, wonderful perfumer, who's going to talk to us about that. Marco Vellucci is an Italian aromatherapist, and he's going to talk about sourcing artisan oils. Michael Scholes has got a very interesting lecture lined up about how to work out which essential oils to use when you've got hundreds to choose from. And Rod Guber's talking, which is a real excitement for me. He's only just signed up. Jane Lawson, those of you who know her, is again an English aromatherapist, and she's going to be talking about how to keep it simple. Dr. Tim Miller, fantastic chemist, and he's going to teach us how to blend by chemical family. The wonderful Peter Holmes from Snow Lotus is talking. Laura Cantell has agreed only yesterday to speak, and she's going to talk about aroma reflexology. Again, late sign-ups, Dr. Florian Birkmeyer and Kathy Skipper. So excited to have them on board. And Tracy Carlin is a wonderful soap maker, and she's going to talk to us about how she uses essential oils and botanicals in soap making. And of course there will be Gergley and I, who are working in partnership to bring you at the summit. We're both speaking, as is a gentleman who works for a distillery in Bulgaria called Ennio Bonchev, who make the most incredible rose oil, and they are going to talk about their rose tours in Bulgaria. So at the moment I'm filming, and so you won't see a great deal of me. Any posts that come up on Facebook, come from somebody different. Let me see if I can get her on film. Say hello.
Hello.
This is Amy Jo. She's my daughter.
Hello, nice to meet you, everybody.
See how sparkly she is. Look at that. So you can thank her for all the fantastic posts about music, and yeah, it wasn't quite me boasting about my birthday, but we had a great deal of fun. So I'm going to put the link for the new Beyond the Essential Oil Recipes Summit below us, and start signing up to the page, because there's going to be all sorts of fantastic things going on the run-up to the summit, which will air in November and will be free to attend. So, good luck.